What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. Oh wait, I'm actually good even if I chill back here. Obviously, as you guys can see, we have a special guest on the channel. This is my little brother Joel. I made a video a long time ago. I was like teaching you guys how to drive stick, and the purpose of that video was for him. But we figured we'd come out here to this empty parking lot where I actually learned how to drive stick, and we'll let him give it a try. I did warn him that it is a heavy clutch, so it's gonna be a little bit harder for him to engage. But I kind of explained it to him where it's, you know, where it's gonna catch, because when he first drove the car the first time, he did pretty well. But we're gonna see how it goes. And the reason why we're doing this is because he's getting a WRX pretty soon. So, and it's gonna be a manual, obviously. So we want that boy to be ready for the streets. Yeah. All right, so yo, let's see how it goes, man. Yo,
all right, guys, time to burn.
Please,
some
this mother.
So,
all right, let's just not die. All right, as long as we don't die, whatever, we good. All right. Hey, man, anything can happen. All right, so what do you do first? Let's go. What you got?
Brake.
Are you comfortable? Can you push the clutch all the way down to the floor? Maybe move up a little bit. Yeah. Push it down to the floor. Yeah. All right. Stepping on the brake.
Okay. Go. All right. So I'm gonna put it into first gear, right?
Obviously. Clutch all the way in. All right, let's go. Put it into first. You're in first now. Now remember, this clutch, it catches right away. So start giving it some gas and then start releasing the clutch.
Write that down, write that down!
Start letting go of the clutch. See? This one is not like the other clutch, bro. Alright, so clutch in. Put it in neutral and turn the car on.
While
just
the clutch
press
is
right
down?
here. Yeah. The clutch has to be down in order for the car to turn on again. So again, you were doing good. You just have to give it a little bit more gas. This is a lightweight it's a lightweight flywheel, so it's gonna the RPMs drop faster, so you have to give it a little bit more gas. It's confusing, but just do what I'm saying and you'll be alright. Alright, so the same thing you did, but release it just a tiny bit quicker and give it a little bit more gas. You gotta give it more gas. More gas and release it quicker. You're fine, you're fine. I told you, this clutch is way harder, bro. When I first started driving this clutch, man, I was stalling like crazy. Don't get nervous. Clutch in. First gear. Give it gas. And let go. First gear. Start feathering it. Alright, yeah. Let's start letting go of the clutch. Hey, you got it. It's okay, it's okay. You got it. You got it. Let go of the clutch. You're in first gear. That's it.
Oh my god! Wow!
It was rough. It's rough because this is like, this clutch bites, you know? So like, that's how it is. Alright, so clutch all the way in. We're gonna try it again. Yeah, let go of the gas, clutch all the way in, and put it into neutral. Press the brakes. Damn, boy. Alright, let's try it again. Same thing, you know what you're doing. Plus you're on a little bit of a hill, so you're gonna have to give it more gas than let go of the clutch. Alright, that's alright. Clutch in. It's okay. This is what it is, you know, you have to get used to it. You have to get used to where the clutch bites.
Write that down, write that down!
So try it again. And keep feathering the gas. You gotta. I think you're letting go of the clutch too fast.
Too fast.
Yeah. So try going a little bit slower with the clutch. Yo, don't worry, man. It's alright. Burn my clutch. It's alright. Just buy me a new one.
Almost in.
Like $500. Alright, let's try it again. Go ahead, feather the gas.
How many?
You want to try to keep it like right below the 2000 or the 2. A little bit higher, like right there. But you gotta start letting go of the clutch. You boy's a natty. All right, let's go. There you go. You want to go into second? It's easier then. All right, so speed up a little bit. About 3. Get it up to the 3. And now clutch in and pull down and let go. But you want to, you know, while you're letting go of the clutch, you want to give it a little bit of gas so it can, you know, make it smoother. Start releasing the clutch as soon as you start giving it the gas. More gas. Yeah, a little too much gas and you let go of the clutch too fast. Too fast. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. There you go. That was perfect. That was perfect. Okay, alright. Boy out here driving better than me. Going, and that's what matters. You know, you gotta take it one step at a time. It's not gonna be smooth right away in the beginning. You gotta keep practicing and practicing and practicing. All right, try it getting used to where the clutch engages. It's good. Just do it a couple more times.
You might start stopping, right?
It's trash.
Come on, extra.
Yeah, alright. This nigga over here breaking my neck. Workout, boy. See, this heavy clutch, bro. This heavy clutch is no joke. Told you it'd be a little bit harder, but hey, better to learn now. It's a heavy clutch, so maybe when you get your car, we'll try it in your car. It'll be much easier. Yeah, it's the clutch.
I blame it on the clutch.
In this video. All right, guys, he didn't do too bad. He got it a few times. It's a heavy clutch, so it's a little unusual for him, and he's just got to practice more, and that's all that is gonna come down to. Just remembering those few little tips that I gave him, and we're gonna try it again once he gets his second car. I mean, once he gets his WRX, we'll try it and we'll do it again for a second time, and we'll bring him here and then we'll show him how to do it. And obviously he won't have a choice. He'll have to learn because that's gonna be his daily car. So, he did pretty good for it being like a stage 3 clutch. He did pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It took me a while to get it right, but my boy did pretty well. All right. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.
4 in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly, vibing out, you can find me at the telly, the drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty, know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding, lanes I be